Alright guys, let's take a look at Ethena or ENA on the channel for the first time in a while. Now, I do want to look at this pattern that I said that Ethena was kind of creating here, and this was this cup and handle, guys. So you can see that basically my lines were pointing at a cup and handle forming. Now it looks like it basically broke down right before it got to the neckline, guys. So, however, can we make an argument that we start the cup here and basically the neckline is here? It's hard to say, guys. Really, I would like to say that probably the cup and handle should start from up here, but it is kind of making a handle here. Now it is trying to break out and it's coming back. It's doing basically what I showed you here, just a little bit earlier than I expected. So, is this really the neckline here? Maybe. Maybe. However, I don't like it. Now, if that is true, let's make another target here. Now, I think this might have been the target, actually. I might have played with this earlier. I don't remember, guys, but I think this was... yeah, this has to be. So basically, if we're talking about a breakout here, then basically that target is about 187 or so. Let's just say 190 and round it out. Now, if that neckline was up here, that target would have been up here at about $2.70. So, we have probably a little bit of a shallower target, we can say. And yeah, I did remember, I think, talking about this, though, in a previous video, that this could be the cup and handle, forming from here. So, that's what it appears. Like I said, I don't like it, guys. But basically, I would look for the target at about $1.90. And I wouldn't be entertaining this anymore. We can probably get rid of this from the chart. And yeah, I should probably try to erase this a little bit. But yeah, I think, let's see, let's get rid of this. And I will just draw this from here. So we will make a new cup. And let's just say that the handle does something like this. So, yeah, I mean, the breakout could be, I don't know. Could be 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Could be a month, 2 years. Who knows, guys? Not 2 years. I'm just joking. It can't be that long. It can't really extend for too long. But I would like to see a breakout within the next month or so, really. And this is on the daily time frame. Let's keep that in mind as well, guys. So, yeah, probably about a month or two, maximum 2 months. And then a breakout. But I think we're probably going to break out much earlier than that, especially if Bitcoin gets a little bit more bullish and, the Ethereum, takes off. We're waiting on Ethereum, really, because that's the altcoin that really leads the altcoins. Now, taking a look at Ethena and the tokenomics, guys, basically, there is no max supply. I don't really like that about this. But anyways, there is only 2.9 billion circulating at the moment. That is not too bad, guys. And yeah, I mean, all-time high at the moment is $1.52. It was 9 months ago, basically when this opened up, guys. It's on a 34% discount at the moment. So yeah, if you like Ethena, I mean, it's not still a bad price, I would say. And I'm actually thinking about picking up a little bit more of this myself. I picked this up, as you can see here, at 21 cents. I was very lucky, guys. Picked it up pretty much at the bottom. I only have a small bag, though, guys. So I'm thinking about getting a little bit more with some free money that's coming soon. And we'll see. All right, now if we take a quick look at Bitcoin, guys, you can see that Bitcoin actually fell a little bit lower today. Didn't quite come down to touch this support here. It's a daily support at 91.1. However, Bitcoin is kind of getting a bounce right now, sitting at 94.4. We do need to stay above this, mark here, just for a few more hours, and close a candle here so we can at least keep this as support. So let's see, guys, we are still under this, Fibonacci line here. We've been below it for 4 days now, and that's just not, good, guys. We need to get above that once again. However, we are kind of getting a little bit of a bounce today, basically from this afternoon. So let's see where this closes in the short term. Now, if we take a quick look at Ethereum, guys, Ethereum looks much healthier. I have to say that Ethereum is just kind of stable between 33.13 and 35.34. That's basically this, resistance and support here. So getting a little bit of a bounce today, almost have a bullish engulfing candle from yesterday. Let's see if we can do that. We just need to go up a little bit more, and that would be a bullish engulfing candle. And yeah, we need to really start moving towards this 35.34 again. We need to start trying to hit it, trying to break it, like we did over here. And the more we hit it, the sooner it will break. Now, taking a quick look at the total market cap, guys, basically the last 4-hour candle got a huge push up, basically a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame from the previous, so that's nice to see. However, we are seeing a little bit of pressure to the downside in this 4-hour candle, but be aware we have just really started this candle about 50 minutes ago, guys. Now, if we can push up above this 3.28 trillion mark, that would be excellent. However, I don't expect to do that tonight, probably. Anyways, let's move to the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin. Now, if we take a look here, the last 4-hour candle did manage to get above 1.34 trillion. That is good to see, but again, we are seeing a little bit of push to the downside once again on this candle. Now, taking a quick look at the dominance, guys, I just extended this line before this video, and we're basically riding this line right now. It kind of looks like it broke above it. Let me just zoom in really. Yeah, it looks like dominance has broken above this trend line, which is not a good thing because we do need this to go down for alts to pump. So let's see where this ends up. There's still 3 hours and 10 minutes on this candle, but at the moment it does appear that it did break above this trend line, and the next resistance is up here at 58.09, guys. Now, taking a quick look at the altcoin season index, guys, basically it's at a 47 right now. I just refreshed this before this video, so yeah, this is correct, but we are maintaining our peaks here. We are above these two at 46, so that's a good sign. However, we're right on the edge, guys, so I do hope we manage to stay above these two peaks and kind of get a bounce. But like I said, guys, pretty much that dominance depends on what altcoin season index does. So if the dominance will go up, altcoin season goes down. So yeah, we have to see dominance really start to come down. Now, if we take a look at the fear and greed, this is kind of a healthy area, I would say. We're still in greed, but like I said in previous videos, guys, we don't want to be at 88, 90, 95, anything like that for too long. Extreme greed is just bad. You tend to see giant pullbacks when we get up there, guys. So I am glad to see that we are sitting at 65. It's still greed, but it's not so extreme. So pi cycle indicator, guys, basically still far from crossing. Not expecting anything anytime soon. Probably in the next maybe 6 months we'll see something. Maybe. Now, crypto bubbles, guys, basically it's looking greener than earlier today. So we do have a few reds. Not sure why these are red, but maybe they, had some pumps earlier. Who knows, guys? But anyways, there is a lot of greens. I would say it's more about 80 to 85% green on the market right now. So this is, nice to see. Now, if you want to stake your coins, guys, for example, Near Protocol or whatever you want to stake, just go to Coinondo, do a search. You have percentages over here. And yeah, I mean, you just have to be aware that there are limits and there are times to lock up your coins and things. And yeah, be aware of all the ins and outs. Basically, if you're staking, sometimes it takes 3 days or 2 weeks 3 weeks to get your coins out. So read everything, guys. You don't want to get stuck in a position that you can't get out of, and that's happened to a few people. I mean, yeah, if you're ready to sell and you have your stuff locked up, hey, nothing you can do, guys. So anyways, be careful. And anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.